Good morning students. I am Amrita teacher and I will take your science class. As you know, our written work of chapter 1 has been completed, so that today we will start the explanation part of chapter 1, and that is plants around you. In this chapter, we will discuss about different types of plant which are present around you. Now let's start. So, you must see different kinds of plant around you, like some are big and some are small, and some are strong and some are very weak. So, on the basis of their shape and sizes, they are classified as tree, shrubs, herbs, climbers and creepers. Now, we will discuss about them one by one. So first of all, we will talk about the tree. Now look at this picture. This is the picture of a tree. So tree are the biggest plants of all. Okay. So it means plant which are big and strong are called as trees, and they live for many years. And the woody and strong stem is called trunk, and the outer covering of trunk is called bark. So if I will ask you what is trunk, then trunk is the woody and strong stem of the tree, and the outer covering of trunk is called bark. That's why bark also protects the stem. Now, a tree has very long root. Okay. Now, listen. Do you know about root? Root is the part of a plant which grow under the ground, and with the help of root, a plant gets water and minerals from the soil. Now, the root of the tree go very deep inside the ground for getting the water. Okay. Now they have many branches, and the branches bear leaves, flowers and fruits. Do you know about leaves? Leaves is a very important part of a plant, because a plant make the food with the help of their leaves. That's why the leaves is also called the food factory or kitchen of the plant. So every plant make their food with the help of their leaves and in the presence of sunlight. Now, some trees keep their leaves all year, so they are called evergreen trees. Okay. Now look at this picture. This is the picture of a tree. Here there are many leaves. Okay. There are several branches also, and this part is the woody part of the tree. That's why they are called as trunk. So the strong and the woody part of the plant is called trunk, and the outer covering of the trunk is called bark. Okay. Now next is shrubs. So shrubs are small woody plant. Okay. They have several stems which arises from the base of the plant, and all the leafy branches growing close together. Look at this picture. This is the picture of a shrub, and the name of this shrub is jasmine. So we can see there are several branches. Okay. There are several stems which arises from the same base. Okay. And the branches bears many leaves and they are close together. So this is called the shrub. So shrubs are the small and woody plant. Now the example of shrubs are bougainvillea, jasmine and hibiscus. Now next is herbs. They are very small plant having soft and green stem. Okay. So herbs have very soft and green stem and their roots are very small. Okay. As the plant is very small, that's why they have very small root. And they live only for one season. Remember it. Herbs lives only for 1 year. And the example of herbs are mint, spinach and wheat. Now look at this picture. These are the example of herbs. This is the wheat and this is the mint. Now next is climbers. Climbers have very weak stem. The plant which are very weak stem and need support to grow are called as climbers. Okay, that's mean climbers need support to grow and they cannot grow without any support. And the examples of climbers are grapes, peas, money plant, etc. Look at this picture. This is the picture of a climber and the name of this climbers is money plant. Look at this picture. This is the plant which are very thin and weak and it grow on the support. Okay, so climbers need support to grow. Next is creepers. Creepers also have weak stem but they spread along the ground. Okay, and as they grow along the ground, that's why they are called creepers. Look at this picture. This is the pumpkin. Okay, and they spread along the ground. That's why they are called as creepers. So the example of creepers are watermelon and pumpkin. So in this chapter we have discussed about trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers and creepers. And in the next class we will start the next chapter. So have a nice day, stay safe and keep your study. Bye.